Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App subscription payment tutorial. I'll guide you through how to set up and manage subscription payments on Cash App, whether you want to pay for a streaming service, monthly membership, or any other recurring payment. Cash App makes it easy and secure. First, open your Cash App and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the Payments tab at the bottom. Here you can send money to friends, businesses, or services. To set up a subscription payment, you need to send money to the service provider's Cash App account or use the payment link they provide. Once you enter the recipient's cash tag or phone number, enter the amount you want to pay for your subscription. Before sending, look for an option to make the payment recurring or set it as a subscription. If this option is available, select it to schedule automatic payments at your preferred interval, weekly, monthly, or yearly. If you don't see a recurring payment option, you can manually make payments each time your subscription is due, or check if the service supports automatic billing through Cash App linked cards or bank accounts. And after confirming the payment details, tap Pay to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation on your payment history, will show the transaction for easy tracking. To manage or cancel subscription payments, go to the settings in Cash App and look for scheduled payments or subscriptions. From there, you can update payment methods, pause or stop requiring payments anytime. That's all you need to know about using Cash App for subscription payments. It's a convenient way to handle your recurring bills directly from your phone. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.